And we are coming to you from day one at the Knowledge 2025 Expo. My name is Leah from Royal Cyber. Today, I'm joined by Jessica. Jessica, thanks for stopping by the Royal Cyber booth.
Sure thing.
So first of all, tell us what brought you to the conference this year.
Just a chance to network. We're about to expand our use case for risk management, and so wanted to get some insight on how other organizations have made the transition and kind of think about how we can use AI to kind of help us along that journey. And I also want to make sure that we lay the right foundation, right? So that when we are ready to make that leap, we have the right things in place.
Sounds like a great reason to come.
Yeah.
So tell me what your company is and what your role is within that company.
Sure, so I work for Assurant, and I like to say we're in that asset protection business.
Sure.
So we do like mobile device insurance, your credit card insurance. If you have American Express, you probably come through us if you need to file a claim. Homeowners insurance, renters insurance, all things insurance.
You've got us covered.
Yes.
So Jessica, what's been the most impressive use case of AI that you've seen lately?
Definitely the risk summarization.
Okay.
Risk summarization, putting things in natural language. Risk practitioners tend to use like really technical words.
Sure.
Right? And we speak in riskisms.
Yeah.
Like to say.
Yeah.
So
something that the average person like me would have no clue. Okay.
Right. Yeah. So that's definitely what I've seen that's most impressive.
Making it a little bit more accessible for the average consumer. Okay,
yes.
That makes sense. So how prepared do you think your company is for AI adoption?
So I think as far as a platform perspective, we haven't done a lot of customizations within IRM.
Right.
So I manage the IRM product. And so we stay really close out of the box. So technology-wise, I feel like we're in a good place. Now when it comes to data for learning, that's where we have a lot to grow, right? So we need to do some data cleanup and make sure our house is clean, right?
Yeah.
Before we,
set the
take
foundation
the journey.
a little bit.
Exactly.
Yep, that makes sense.
Exactly.
Well, Knowledge is a great place for you to be. I'm sure we're all going to learn a lot over the next few days. Thank you for joining me at the Royal Cyber booth.
Thank you for having me.
We appreciate it.